This is the biology revision for weeks 1 and 2, semester 1 for grade 8. In this revision, we're going to study the types of graft, when it's accepted, when it's rejected, and how we interpret, analyze, and describe an experiment. Question 1, Muhammad, can you read the question 1? Indicate the true statements. Okay. 8. All human body cells have true or false? All human body cells have HLA. True. What about the erythrocytes or red blood cells? Do they have HLA? No. So how can we correct it, Muhammad? How do you correct this? So this is false. How do you correct it? All human body have what? HLA. Except which cell? Except erythrocytes. Good. Badia, B please.
Isograft is done between twins. False.
Correction.
It is done between identical twins.
Yes, between identical twins. Although I'm not writing all the statement, but please with test or quiz you have to write all the statement. Al-Baki, C. True. Since they have some similarity with genetic makeup, they have some similarity with HLA in molecules. Watfa, question 2.
Same individual.
Yes, in the same individual. Result. We have tolerance or accepted by the immune system. Ataya? Yes. Identical twins. Very good. Selina? Yes, xenograft. Dana, last one. Yes. Yes, so we have different persons in the same species, okay? Different persons, same species. I will read question 3 before I ask anyone. Question 3, the figures below summarize the experimental conditions and results of skin graft experiments done on 2 different strains of rabbits A, B. In the 2 experiments, rabbit A is the donor. The result, the graft is only accepted in A. Okay. A, describe experiments 1 and 2. Muhammad Saleh.
The experiment 1, the graft is bound into the same rabbit. The graft is accepted
accepted by the immune system. Good. So in the first experiment, we just describe what do we see in the figure without explaining what happened. So we have transfer of a graft in the same rabbit. The graft is accepted by the immune system. Good. Badia, can you describe second experiment?
Expressing the experiment?
Yes.
In experiment 2, forming the graft between rabbit A and rabbit B leads to the rejection of the graft by the immune system.
Okay. So from rabbit A to rabbit B, the graft is rejected by the immune system. So this is the answer. In experiment 1, the graft is done in the same rabbit. The graft is accepted. In experiment 2, the graft is done between donor rabbit A and recipient rabbit B. The graft is rejected. Al-Baki, how do we interpret the first experiment? Yes, can you analyze it first, please?
Performing a graft between the same rabbit A leads to
Accepting.
Accepting the immune system. This indicates that the autograft is always accepted by the immune system.
Good. What's the second experiment?
The experiment
2. Performing
to the
graft
showed that the rabbit A tracks back.
Performing the graph from rabbit A to rabbit B leads to what?
Leads to the
Rejection of the graph by the immune system. Indication, this indicates
that
what type of graph is this if you have two different rabbits? Allograft. This indicates that the allograft is always rejected by the immune system. Explaining each result. Ala, explain the first experiment, please.
Experiment 1, the body cells have same elements, have same HC molecules. So the immune system recognizes the graft as one.
Good. Celine, experiment 2.
In experiment 2, the body cells of two different MHC molecules, so the immune system recognizes the graft as one.
Very good. So in experiment 1, the body cells in the same animal have same MHC molecules, so the immune system recognizes the graft as self. In experiment 2, the body cells of different rabbits have different MHC molecules, so the immune system recognizes the graft as non-self.